Welcome back, my dear children, to this module from the chapter Waves. Here, let us discuss about the displacement relation for a progressive wave. A progressive wave is one which progresses or travels. Amplitude and phase together describe the complete displacement of the wave. Displacement function is a periodic function in space and time. The displacement of the particles in a medium takes place along the x-axis, and the displacement is denoted by y. So y of xt, that is the displacement, is given as a function of propagation, that is position along the x-axis, and time t is given by y of xt is equivalent to a sine kx minus omega t plus phi. This is the equation for a progressive wave, displacement of a progressive wave. Here a represents the amplitude, k is known as a constant called the wave number, which we will be discussing it later. Omega is the angular frequency and phi is known as phase constant. We had already discussed in the previous chapter that amplitude is the maximum displacement of the elements of the medium from their equilibrium positions. It is denoted by capital A. In the case of a transverse wave, the maximum displacement of the particles from its mean position is known as the amplitude. Now let us see what is meant by phase. Phase describes the state of motion as the wave sweeps through an element at a particular position. Two points are said to be in phase with each other when these 2 points are at the same position and they both are doing the same thing. That is, both the points are exhibiting the same behavior. 2 points are said to be out of phase even though they are at the same points, but they are doing opposite thing. That is, both the points are exhibiting different behavior. Out of phase means not in phase. Consider 2 points A and B on the wave. Their positions as well as behavior are the same. Therefore, we say points A and B are in phase. Consider the points A and C on the wave. They are not in phase with each other as their positions are not the same. Similarly, the points C and D are not in phase with each other as their positions are same but behavior is different. Therefore, they are not in phase with each other. Consider the points F and G. Their positions are same but behavior is totally opposite. So, F and G are out of phase. Consider the points F and H. They are in phase with each other as their position and behavior are the same. Now let us see what is meant by the term wavelength. It means the length of a wave. Wavelength is defined as the minimum distance between 2 consecutive points in the same phase of wave motion. It is denoted by the symbol lambda. In the case of transverse wave, we can use the term crest for the peak of maximum displacement and the term trough for the point of minimum displacement. So in the case of transverse wave, wavelength is defined as the distance between 2 consecutive crests or distance between 2 consecutive troughs. In the case of a longitudinal wave, wavelength is the distance between two compressions or the distance between two rarefactions, provided the compressions or rarefactions are nearest. Now let us define the term wave number. Wave number describes the number of wavelengths per unit distance. It is the reciprocal of wavelength. It is denoted by the letter K. We can see that in the equation for displacement y of xt, assuming phi to be 0 and taking the initial time t to be 0, we get y of x0 is equivalent to a sine kx. When x is equivalent to x plus lambda, or when x is equivalent to x plus 2 lambda, we get the equations for x as a sine k into x plus lambda or a sine k into x plus 2 lambda. The value of y is equal at all these points because lambda and 2 lambda will be in phase with each other. Therefore, a sine k into x plus lambda must be equivalent to a sine k into x plus 2 lambda. This is possible only when k lambda is equivalent to 2 pi n, where n is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, etc. From this, k can be defined as 2 pi n by lambda. This is the expression for wave number. K is also known as propagation constant. Now let us see time period, frequency and angular frequency of a wave. Time period is the time taken to complete one oscillation. It is denoted by the symbol capital T. Frequency of a wave is defined as the number of oscillations per unit time. It is denoted by nu, and nu is equivalent to 1 by time period. Angular frequency is defined as the frequency of the wave in terms of circular motion. It is denoted by the symbol omega. We know omega is equivalent to 2 pi nu or omega is equivalent to 2 pi by t. Hope you might have got an idea about the displacement relation and also the terms associated with wave motion. Thank you, dear children.